Hello, fellow world travelers. Hello, can you hear us?
Hello.
Okay,
Yeah.
we're gonna play a little game, and this is a two-car competition. The person who can guess to the nearest minute how long it will take us to get to the airport will win a special prize. Okay,
Hour and a half.
Stop.
including stops.
2 hours.
Okay, so let me think. What time do you
Where are you
guys
going?
think we will be at the airport? Wait, why are we going straight?
Thought you were going to Travel Plaza.
We're going answer the question. Focus on the question at hand.
Why? Wait a minute. Joseph.
How long will it take us to
Wait,
get?
are we going to the little boat?
What's that?
Are,
We're flying private back to Los Angeles.
oh my God.
Oh my god! Wait, really?
We're-
Oh
Be fine.
my.
It's a heavy jet. We're flying private back to Los Angeles.
Oh
Oh my god!
my God.
Hey, but I gotta go to Pickles.
You're gonna have to call Rita. And tell her
You're
no.
gonna have to call Rita.
Oh,
Sorry, Rita. We'll wait. What was we go? Oh
Carla.
my gosh. I'm like, where are you going?
It's going the wrong way.
So nobody. I don't have a winner. Nobody guessed 6 minutes.
She hung up.
Oh.
I was getting close when you were not going to.